Half a century. 5 decades, the golden milestone. Turning 50 is a big deal. But how do you design a birthday party that honors the journey, embraces the joy, and feels stylish, not stuffy? Whether you're planning for yourself, a loved one, or a client, today's video will walk you through 10 elegant and creative 50th birthday decor ideas that blend timeless charm with a modern edge. Stick around to the end because I'll share one expert styling tip that instantly upgrades any 50th setup, no matter your budget.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
What theme works best for a 50th birthday celebration? A milestone like 50 deserves a statement theme. Popular choices include 50 and Fabulous, Golden Jubilee, Vintage 1974, or Cheers to 50 Years. Choose based on the guest of honor's personality, whether they love glam, rustic charm, or minimal modern elegance. Love planning around themes? Like this video and share it with someone planning a milestone party. How should you design the party entrance? Make the first impression unforgettable. Frame the entrance with a balloon garland or floral arch in metallics like gold, silver, or rose gold. Include a personalized welcome sign and photo timeline board showing the honoree through the decades. Need entrance ideas? Check the description for the exact products and signs I use to build mine. What makes a great photo backdrop for a 50th? The photo walls should feel iconic. Use a shimmer curtain, custom number balloons, or a sequin backdrop. Add a neon sign like 50 and Fabulous, or use elegant draping in black and gold. Include a vintage lounge chair or floral props for styling. What's your dream backdrop style? Let me know in the comments. How do you style the cake and dessert table for a 50th? Go for a luxe and layered look. Use glass or gold cake stands, mix in candles and florals, and include signage like "Aged to Perfection." You can also add a candy or dessert station with matching jars, gold scoops, and personalized treat bags. Want to copy this dessert layout? Check the description for links to everything I used. How do balloons fit into a mature decor style? Balloon decor doesn't have to be kiddish. Opt for chrome or matte finishes in neutral palettes, or black, gold, and blush. Go with large number balloons, cascading garlands, or vertical balloon columns with floral accents for that elegant twist. Love these balloon ideas? Drop your favorite combo in the comments. What kind of table centerpieces work best for a sophisticated 50th? Think balance between elegant and celebratory. Use gold vases with fresh or dried florals, floating candles, or black and gold confetti runners. You can also include framed photos or quotes from family and friends at each table for a personalized feel. Inspired by these ideas? Subscribe now for more party styling inspiration every week. Turning 50 isn't the end, it's a new beginning. And these 10 decor ideas help you celebrate not just the age, but the amazing journey so far. Whether you're going full glam or intimate and classy, let your celebration reflect the life you've lived and the legacy you're building. Which idea are you going to try first? Drop it in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and check the description for all the products, links, and guides to make your 50th birthday party unforgettable.